Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to screencast a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 phone, either the 12 Pro or the 12 Turbo, with a Windows 11 computer, desktop or laptop. So to get started, you'll just make sure the Wi-Fi is enabled and Bluetooth settings, because you may be prompted to enable them. But for the most part, you will most likely not use them, but just turn them on just in case. Next up, make sure you have the screencast toggle readily available from the quick panel access, because you'll be using that when it's time to screencast after setting these settings that I'm about to show you in the Windows 11 computer. So use the Edit section and look for the screencast toggle. If you don't see it there at the time, and then once it's there, you'll now have it readily available. Next up, on your Windows 11 computer or laptop, you can use the search area here and look for the main settings of your computer. So go to Settings here, and once you're here now, you'll go to the setting menu that says System right here. So click on System right there, and then you'll see all these other options here. If you are receiving this message which says add the wireless display option feature to project to this PC, will please follow the steps shown in this video. So over here, just on the bottom here, you can see Optional Feature. Click on Optional Feature, and then you have to click. And over here, go ahead and type in wireless display. Now over here you can see wireless display. Put a check over here and then click on Install. These three drop-down menu here set the first one to available everywhere. The second one should be every time a connection is requested, and the third one should be never for the pin. This switch down here, make sure it's turned on. This allows your computer or laptop to be visible to nearby wireless display devices. Now that everything is set up, go ahead and click on Launch the Wireless Display app. Here in a blue screen like this should show up, letting you know it's ready to connect to something wireless on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 phone. Go into the quick panel access as I showed you earlier, long press the screencast option, and then you'll see this right here. So go ahead and turn it on, and it's going to start searching. You'll see the computer name show up. Tap on it one time and it's going to show you on your computer screen that it's about to connect. Give it a few seconds so it can catch itself. If this doesn't work the first time, go ahead and restart both your phone and the computer or laptop and try again. It should work. Be sure to enable the auto rotate so that when you go into landscape mode on your phone, it also shows up on your computer screen as well. If you made it to this part of the video, congrats! You are now able to screencast your phone to your Windows computer. Okay, so this is landscape mode. And of course, depending on how strong the connection is, will determine the smoothness of this play. Alright, so don't forget to like and sub, and if you're ready to disconnect it, you'll see in the left top section here a screencast icon here, just going to tap on it. You'll get these options here, and then of course you can go ahead, and as you press that there you'll see this option to disconnect it if you need to. So like and sub. Thanks for watching.